Humanity once believed we'd commute like the Jetsons. So why did the real flying car, the one that actually worked, never take off? Today, we're diving into the science, engineering, and surprising history behind the flying car dream, and why reality grounded it.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
In 1949, engineer Molt Taylor built the Aerocar. Yes, a real, FAA-certified flying car. It could drive on highways, attach its wings in minutes, and then take off like a small airplane. Smithsonian Air and Space records confirm it logged hundreds of successful flights. Yet only 6 were ever made. Why? Here's the first scientific hurdle: lift versus weight. NASA's Aeronautics Research explains that an aircraft's wings must produce enough lift at speed to get the whole vehicle off the ground. But if you shrink the wings so the car fits on a road, you lose lift. Add the heavy structure needed for road safety, and the plane side struggles. It's the physics equivalent of wanting a vehicle that's both a submarine and a skateboard. The next issue: engines. Mid-20th century engines didn't have the power-to-weight ratios needed for safe dual-mode operation. Engineering analyses in the Journal of Aircraft show that the Aerocar's engine pushed the limits just to fly, leaving almost no room for safety margins. Then came the regulators. To be a car, you need crumple zones and crash resistance. To be a plane, you need lightweight materials and strict airworthiness certification. As the FAA's Part 23 standards outline, aircraft structures must pass completely different safety requirements. Meeting both at once is like trying to follow 2 different instruction manuals that disagree on every page. And even if you solved the engineering puzzle, you still had economics. Manufacturers didn't believe enough people would buy one. The Aerocar cost as much as a luxury car plus a small airplane. It wasn't that it couldn't fly, it's that the market couldn't. Fast forward to today. New materials, electric propulsion, and computer stabilization make the dream feel closer. NASA and MIT research shows eVTOL aircraft are far more efficient and safer than older designs. Companies like Terrafugia and Klein Vision have demonstrated working prototypes. But mass adoption? Still out of reach, mostly due to cost, safety certification, airspace traffic control, and infrastructure needs. So is the flying car impossible? Not at all. It just wasn't practical, scientifically, economically, or socially. But the dream persists because every technological leap brings us a little closer. So what do you think? Will flying cars finally take off in our lifetime, or stay grounded forever? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.